It may be a while before a teenage girl who was killed under heart-wrenching and controversial conditions in October can be laid to rest. Her Manchester father has been formally charged with her death. And as CVM News explores this tragic case, the allegations that preceded this homicide are rather disturbing. As you'll hear more now from Curlin Brown with this update.
6-year-old Lawrence Sergeant has been formally charged with murder in connection with the death of his 14-year-old daughter, Shantina Sergeant. The father-daughter ordeal unfolded with the teenager first reported as missing by her father at the Christiana police station in Manchester on Thursday, October 3. An investigation was immediately launched to find the student. And 3 days later, on October 6, when detectives decided to search their living environs on Riverside Drive in the parish, the teenager's charred, decomposed remains were found in bushes to the back of the premises under a truck. Detectives from the Spalding Criminal Investigations Branch redirected their search towards finding the adult sergeant who fled his hometown. He was found in Old Harbour, St. Catherine on Friday, October 10, and was apprehended. A post-mortem examination confirmed the remains to be that of Shantina. Her father was charged with murder on Wednesday, November 5. Now, CVM News has been privy to information alleging Shantina confided in the school's guidance counselor, alleging she was being sexually abused. And days before her disappearance, she expressed grave concern her father was acting indifferently towards her. CVM News further understands some students at Shantina's school were traumatized by the gruesome situation and even opted not to seek their professional help. It's alleged the young sergeant died confused and deeply stressed, suspecting her secret was out and her trust was betrayed. Curlin Brown, CVM News.